In this video, I'm breaking down 8 realistic side hustle ideas that literally anyone can do. Yes, even you. It doesn't matter if you have zero experience or no fancy skills. These ideas are practical, doable, and designed for the average person. But before we dive in, I need to hit you with a quick reality check about side hustles. And trust me, you need to hear this. Here's the deal. A lot of people click on videos like this, whether mine or someone else's, and immediately think, okay, what's the magic trick? Just give me the secret formula to make quick money. But let me stop you right there. There is no magic bullet, no hidden treasure. No one is out there handing out free cash on a silver platter. The only real way to make money is to provide value. And that's it. Find something people want or need, something they are willing to pay for, and offer it. Simple. It's the first rule of money, and it's not that hard. It never changes. Now, I know how this goes. Some of you will skip through the timestamps, scroll past the ideas, and think, nah, this isn't for me. It's too hard, too boring. And you know what? That's fine. But let me tell you something. That mindset is what keeps people stuck, broke, frustrated. It's not because there are no opportunities out there. It's because they don't understand how making money actually works. Here's the truth. Making money is a skill. It's something that you learn like any other skill, like riding a bike, cooking, whatever. It's not about luck. It's not about stumbling on one perfect, easy idea. It's about understanding the basics, value, effort, consistency, and then applying those principles to the opportunities you already have in front of you. The best part is, once you start to get this, you won't be chasing random side hustle ideas anymore. You start to see opportunities that match your skills, your life, and your goals. So stick with me. I've got 8 solid side hustle ideas coming your way, and if you're ready to take action, these can work for you. My name is Charles. Let's jump in. The first is TikTok print on demand. How does it work? Step 1, you go to a site like kitu.com, you find or create a design, something catchy, trendy, or even controversial. Just pick one design. It could be a funny quote or a viral saying or anything that's buzzing on social media. The goal is to make it relatable. People love wearing stuff that sparks a reaction. Once you've got your design ready, step 2, take that design straight to printify.com. Printify lets you put your design on almost anything: shirts, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, anything. You pick the product, upload your design, and boom, you've got your first item. Step 3, this is where TikTok comes in. Create a TikTok account, set up your bio, and then link it to your Printify store. Order one of your products for yourself, and trust me, having the product in your hand changes everything. You use it to make fun, engaging videos, showing it off in a relatable way. Maybe wear the hoodie while reenacting a viral quote or making a funny skit around the saying. The goal is simple: make people laugh, connect, or share. When your video gets pushed to the For You page, people will see it, engage with it, and if they love the product, they buy directly from the video, or they click the link that is on your profile. That's it. Printify takes care of the printing and the shipping for you. You don't touch any single box, and all you have to do is make videos with the product over and over again so that more people will buy. The best part about this, you set the price. Printify charges a flat fee for the product, and whatever you charge on top of that is pure profit. So if you're selling a hoodie for $60 and Printify fee is $20, you pocket the extra $40. Now you just have to rinse and repeat to make $1,000. Before we continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe for more value. The next side hustle you should seriously consider is becoming a user-generated content creator, which is a UGC creator. Why is this so great? Well, you don't need a huge following. 0 followers, 10 followers, it doesn't matter. You don't even need to show your face if you don't want to. If you're not familiar with what UGC creators do, let me break it down real quick. It's basically when you create content like photos or videos for companies to post on their social media pages. Just think of it like influencer content, reviews, unboxing, tutorials. But here's the key difference. Most times you don't need to post it on your social media account. The brand uses the content on their platform, so you're just basically creating content for brands. Like I said, you don't need followers for this. All you need is a portfolio. You can create sample videos with products you already have in your house. Just take a few photos and pitch yourself to brands that might need content, and trust me, they do. Brands are always looking for authentic, relatable content to connect with their audience. UGC is in high demand right now. I know a bunch of people who started doing this, and it's perfect if you love creating content but don't want the pressure of growing a personal brand. Plus, it's super flexible. You can do it entirely from your home. Just set up a camera, shoot the content, edit it, and send it over to the client. Simple. It's also a great stepping stone if you eventually want to get into full-on content creation, YouTube, or even TikTok. You're building skills without putting yourself out there too much. Now, speaking of content creation, let's talk about another side hustle, which is becoming a YouTuber, blogger, or content creator. Content is simple. Don't complicate things with the need for too much accessories. I created my first video as a content creator with a mobile phone. All you need to start creating content is to bring out your phone and press the record button. If you don't know what to create, share your daily experience, the tools you use, tips you've learned along the way, and all that. People love hearing about real journeys, especially when it's relatable and packed with value. If you're watching this, you already have a phone, a laptop, or maybe a webcam. And that's enough. Start talking about what you're doing, what you're learning, and what others might find helpful. For example, if you're learning about UGC or freelancing, share tips on how others can get started. It's content gold. And you're already doing it anyway. You're already doing the work. So why not just turn it into something that could bring in views, subscribers, and income? Let me show you this. If you go to tubemagic.com and click on Niche Explorer, you'll see how much YouTube will pay you per 1,000 views if you start creating content in any of these niches. You can see the health niche here. They pay from $9 to $15. A wealth niche from $10 to $26. Psychology from $6 to $15. For relationship, $11. Technology, $11 to $15. Travel, $10 to $18. Entertainment, $4 to $29. This would help you choose a niche to start creating content. Just go through this and choose a niche. You'll see how much potentially you'll be earning for every 1,000 views you get. People are making millions and you're telling me that you're waiting for camera and microphone. Keep waiting. Now, apart from the ad revenue, you can also make money from brand collaboration, getting affiliate earnings from your audience, or even selling your own products to your audience. If you don't want to show your face, you can create AI videos where you don't have to show your face. I've created several videos on my YouTube channel on how to use AI to create content and make money from it. So you can check them out after watching this video. The next one I want to share with you is such an underrated way to make money, which is teaching English or any other language on language learning apps. Now, here's the thing. You don't need to be a professional teacher, and definitely you don't need to be a grammar expert. A lot of these apps have people who just want conversation practice, not full-on grammar lessons. For me, I'm a native English speaker, but if you ask me to explain all the rules of English grammar, I'll just probably ignore you. But conversational lessons, that's just like, chatting casually with someone and helping them practice fluency, and then you get paid for it. There are so many platforms out there that you can sign up on and start teaching languages. The best part is you can literally do this from anywhere. You're just talking to someone over, video calls, helping them improve their speaking skills, and boom, money in your pocket. Flexible, low stress, and a great way to make an income. I'm going to post a video about the best platforms to give language lessons. So subscribe if you have not subscribed so you won't miss out. And if you're getting value from this video, just hit the like button. You're going to enjoy this next one if you're organized and good at handling tasks. You can become a virtual assistant. There are so many types of virtual assistant roles, like managing emails, handling calendars, scheduling meetings, organizing travel plans, entering data, or even running social media accounts. The demand for virtual assistants is massive right now, especially as more companies and entrepreneurs are outsourcing these tasks so they can focus on the bigger picture. And guess what? You don't need a fancy setup to get started, just a laptop, an internet connection, and good communication skills. Start small, maybe by reaching out to small businesses, entrepreneurs, or even using platforms like Hire Now, Upwork, or Fiverr to find clients. Once you prove how reliable you are, it's going to be easy to scale up, charge higher rates, and even specialize in a niche. Whether it's admin task or creative work, there is always someone looking for a virtual assistant who knows how to get stuff done. This next one is for the big players. If you've got some cash sitting in your account, go rent a 2 or a 3-bedroom flat and turn it into an Airbnb. You can rent out the rooms individually like a mini hotel, or rent the whole place is super profitable. The trick is location. Find a hotspot, places with lots of people, high traffic and recreational areas. Once you secure a place, make it look irresistible. Give it those dream home vibes with top-notch finishes, cozy decor, and everything a guest could want. When your Airbnb looks stunning, people will happily pay to stay for days, weeks, or even months. The reason why I love this model is because you charge per night, not per month, just like a hotel. That's where the profit kicks in. And to really maximize bookings, promote your Airbnb on social media platforms. A few great photos, some buzz, and you have people rushing to book your place. The next one is marketplace reselling. This is similar to dropshipping, but this time, forget all the complicated advice the gurus are throwing at you. Marketplace reselling is simple and straightforward. Here's how it works. You go to places like eBay, Amazon, or even Facebook Marketplace. You find a product that is super cheap, grab the images and details, and repost the offer. When someone shows interest and buys it from you, boom, you go back, buy from the original seller, deliver it to your buyer, and pocket the difference. You can resell anything: cars, watches, paintings, furniture, sneakers, you name it. Anything. And here's where it gets even better. This works anywhere, not just Facebook Marketplace. If you want to make the big buck, look into reselling cars. Go to a car dealership or a garage, find cars that are up for sale, take good quality photos, and post them to your marketplace or social media page. When someone shows interest, take them straight to the dealership, close the deal, and get your percentage cut from the seller. You don't need to own a car, pay for storage, or handle any messy logistics. You can literally sell anything without a storefront, without inventory, and without using your money to invest. All you need are quality photos of what you want to sell and a marketplace page, Instagram, or even WhatsApp to sell it. This next one is super popular right now, which is setting up a TikTok shop. Go to TikTok shop, pick up a product you like, and add it to your showcase. Now, here's where it gets even better. TikTok shop owners want their products to sell, so a lot of them will actually send you free samples if you request one. Why? Because they know that if you make a video featuring their product, it will help them drive sales. It's basically a win-win. You get a free sample, then you use it to make a fun, engaging video. It could be a product review, an unboxing, or just a cool, here's why I love this clip kind of thing. When people watch that video and buy the product directly from TikTok shop or the link in your video, you get a percentage of the sale. And the best part, you don't have to deal with shipping, packaging, or any of that stressful stuff. The shop owner handles all of it. Your job is just to make videos and link the products. That's it. Now, this works especially well for UGC creators. Why? Because brands are always looking for creators to make videos about their products. If they like your style and content, they are much more likely to send you free samples, and all you need to do is film a video. Simple. But here's the thing, you need to start somewhere, right? So when you're just starting out, you want to create videos using products you already have lying around the house. Just think of it like building a portfolio. Show brands and TikTok shop owners what you can do. And once they see you can make videos, they'll be more than happy to work with you and then send you those free samples. Now, let's imagine you create a video that gets 100,000 views, super achievable on TikTok, right? And let's say 1,000 people decide to buy the product from your video. If your commission is, let's say, $10 per sale, you've just made $10,000 from just that one video. Let that sink in. All you need for TikTok shop is creativity and a phone. Here's what I want you to remember at the end of the day. The easiest online side also is the one that you're genuinely interested in and have the confidence or willingness to learn. Don't just jump into something random because you saw it on a flashy side hustle video. Ask yourself, is this something I'll stick with for 6 months, a year, longer? Build something that works for you, something sustainable, enjoyable, and profitable over time. If you're feeling stuck and need more ideas, just let me know in the comment section or watch my next video for even more tips. And hey, if you've made it this far, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And before you go, check out this next video which I made. You'll love it.